Do you know that was all yeah, spray everybody? Someone actually was that one? No, they probably wrecked it up or then crashed it, yeah. They wrecked it up or someone's just crashed. That's when they oh no, they're just right then. Yeah. Look, they're going to use the tools to use the thingy into there. Car there, firefighting car. Oh wait, I thought that was going to be that easy. Yeah, that's what they're doing. You can show your reviews.
C-spines and tanks.
What is your job going to be? I'm not
Oh, is he? Yeah, is he? Yeah.
Rob, you're going to have fire. I'll be a firefighter. My dream job.
Right, sorry for the short delay. This is our second road traffic collision demonstration. So we've got a crew of 7 firefighters made up from both the appliances at Rotherham Fire Station. Officer in charge is crew manager Mella. He's wearing a tabard that says incident commander. So he's in charge of the crew. So we'll assess the scene when we first get there, make sure that everything's safe, because we might be on the road but there's still cars driving past. So we do a quick risk assessment of the area, and then crew manager Mella will make a plan of action, looking at where the casualty is in the car. So in this instance, it's the driver, and then he'll make a bit of a plan, communicate it to the crew.
Initial stability, fully stabilized.
And then we'll work to get them out.
What are they doing?
So the crew, first of all, try the doors, because it's a nice easy win if the doors can open. We try and get initial access to the casualty, speak to us verbally, see if we're responding to our questions, find out what injuries they might have got, and just explain to them what's going to happen to get them out of the vehicle. We'll see if the crews put some wedges and some blocks underneath the vehicle. That is to make the vehicle stable. Because when we're climbing in and removing bits, we don't want it wobbling about, because that can injure the casualty even more, especially if we've hurt the spine. So we've got some wedges, some blocks, and the ones that are underneath the wheels with the handles on them, they're called rapid stairs. So you might have heard manager Mella shout out B-plan. So we make 2 plans for RTCs. We make an A-plan and a B-plan. We always put the B-plan in place first, because that's for if the casualty needs extricating really quickly. So we've got some really bad injuries. The A-plan is when we've got plenty of time, it's not time critical, so we can take a bit more time with the rescue. You'll see that the crew have got a really big plastic bag that we put around the doors when they're breaking the glass. That's attached to glass so that we're not walking in it, and it's not a bit of a slip hazard while we're carrying out the rest of the rescue. You'll see that the glass shatters into loads of little pieces. Goes with a bit of a pop. That's because it's what we call toughened glass. So it breaks in that way. The windscreen, if we were to hit the windscreen, that actually wouldn't shatter. It'll break a little bit, but it will
They've
pretty
got
much
this
stay in piece.
blanket over
That's
them.
because it's laminated glass, so it's like too much glass that's stuck
Yeah, so
together.
don't breaking glass and they hit him.
What we'll have to do later is we'll have to saw through
Wait, are they going to
the
bit the front bit of glass? Probably not. Yeah. If it's really bad and the front bit has come off, then they won't.
You'll see a blue plastic shield that the firefighters at the front are using. That's what we call a teardrop, because it's in the shape of a tear. Might look like it's not doing a great deal, but when we're cutting and spreading, we have to have that in place in case any bits of the car fly off, and it just deflects any bits from hitting the casualty.
Second it off.
If you also look at the steering wheel has got a special airbag cover on it. So at some RTCs, the airbags will have gone off, which is great. At other ones, they've not gone off.
Do you know Bill?
And you don't want to be in the way of the airbag when it goes off, especially on your head. So put the airbag cover over the steering wheel.
What?
Just to make sure that if it does accidentally go off, it's not going to injure anyone.
I think it's dropped. I'm surprised there's not even
You'll see that the crew are trying to remove the driver's door first. That's because it's nearest to the casualty. So once that door's
oh
off,
my god, look at that.
we'll be able to have lots of access to the casualty, and if we start going downhill, we can pretty much drag them out of that side if we need to.
Yeah, look at the boot. I think I took the boot off probably. There they are. No, yeah.
You'll see that we've got over behind the car that we've already cut up, you'll see that there's an area where all those tools are, and they're on a big sheet. So we call that a tool dump. So we dump all these tools there, so that we're not going back to the fire engine all the time. We've just got stuff that we can grab straight away, take it over to the vehicle, use it, and then put it back. Over on the other side, the other far corner, you'll see where we put the door, and I think there's a couple of seats there as well. That's what we call debris dump. So everything that comes out of the car, or gets chopped off the car, gets put in the debris dump, and it's far enough away so that nobody's tripping over it and getting in anyone's way. We like to keep the area around the car that we're working on as clear as possible. All the tools that we use, they're all battery powered. We've got lithium ion batteries, so there's no cables, they don't have to be plugged in. And you'll see that each fire engine carries a set of cutters, a set of spreaders, and a ram, a hydraulic ram. So each fire engine only carries one of those, which is why if we get an RTC and there's somebody that's injured, we actually send 3 fire engines. One, because we won't be 9 times out of 10 we're just riding with 4 firefighters on a fire engine, and also so we've got access to more equipment if we need it. So you'll see the cutters that are being used to chop that boot part off. They're about 25 kilograms, so they are really heavy, especially if you're holding them for quite a while. So we try to rotate the tools around so that firefighters don't become too fatigued, because once you start getting tired, your arms start shaking, and you don't need that if you're making cuts near somebody. You'll see that we've covered the casualty with a blanket, That's not because they're scared and they don't want to see. That's so that any bits that might fly off are not gonna hit them. The crew that's inside the car, they're doing what we call peeling and revealing. So there's lots of different hazards in a car. There's undeployed airbags, there's seatbelt pre-tensioners, there's wires and stuff like that we don't like cutting through. So we remove the trim, we have a look for any hazards, and then we make a mark on the posts that are around the vehicle so that we know where it's safe to cut. So the front two posts, where the windscreen is, they're called the A posts. The middle ones are the B post, and the back ones are the C post. So we'll remove as much trim off as we can. The crew should be checking the stabilisation each time they remove something off the car. So particularly the boot, that's quite a heavy piece. Once that's chopped off, that can cause the car to lift, so the stabilisation can be ineffective. So the crew should periodically go around and check that just to make sure that it's still in place properly. A lot of the time at RTCs, we've obviously got ourselves that are in charge of doing the extrication. Hopefully there's an ambulance crew on scene, so they'll look after the casualty. And then we often get the police, because they might manage the road, make sure the road's closed, and they might have to do investigations as to what's caused the accident.
Bloody hell. He's cracking the whole entire thing. Oh yeah, but you can see drops.
We'll see that the crew are wearing orange rescue jackets. So these are not the jackets that we wear if we go into a house fire. They've got no fire resistant qualities. They're breathable and they're lightweight because it can be quite a sweaty job when you're handling these heavy tools and chopping bits of a car off. So we have a different jacket for the fires that we go to. So we'll see that there's lots of different things going on. We call it simultaneous activity. We don't just stand about and watch us mate cook something. We're always looking at what else needs doing. So we'll see we've got the guys at the back using the cutters on the seat post, and then we've got firefighter Simpson who's sawing the windscreen. He's doing a big smiley face in it, so they can get rid of the vast majority of the glass. We've still got somebody in the vehicle with the casualty, just talking to them, making them feel calm. Might be asking them some questions like whether they're on any medication.